Good morning, dear students. So today we are here and we are in continuation of 6th semester practical. Today we are going to prepare Italian cuisine based menu. For that we have taken the almond cookies and vegetable lasagne. Almond cookies and vegetable lasagne both are very popular dishes in Italy, and we are going to prepare them. First of all, I am telling you about the recipe, about the ingredients which are used in almond cookies. These are refined flour, butter, roasted almonds, baking soda, refined sugar and vanilla essence. So I will show you the ingredients and then I will show you how to prepare these Italian almond cookies. So for making the Italian almond cookies, we have taken 100 gram of refined flour, 50 gram of refined sugar, 60 gram of butter, a pinch or half teaspoon of soda, 100 gram of almonds which we have kept inside the oven. We have roasted it and then we will split it. 25% of them will be grinded and rest of them will be roughly chopped. And we have taken 3 eggs. 1 egg will be used while we will make creaming for the biscotti, and the half egg yolk will be used during the preparation of almond biscotti. So let's start making almond biscotti. So now we are starting the creaming for Italian almonds cooking, for which we have taken the butter in a bowl, and now we will add a little by little sugar onto it, and a hand blender or electric blender we are using so that it can be mixed properly. Now you can see that butter and sugar has been mixed, creamed properly, and now we are going to add egg white, 1 egg white onto it. Now we will add few drops of vanilla essence. So now we are going to mix the raw ingredients which you have prepared earlier. For that, in 100 gram of refined flour, baking soda, we are going to add a pinch of half teaspoon of baking soda. 25% of refined almonds we have grinded, we are going to add, and rest of them we have roughly chopped. So this is our raw ingredients, and which we are going to add into wet mixture of almonds cookies. You can see. So now we are going to add raw ingredients into wet ingredients for almond cookies, a little bit one time. Now you can see our dough has been prepared for Italian almond cookies, and we will divide it into 2 partitions and make a loaf. So now we are dividing it into 2 portions, you can see, and we will make a loop of each one by hand. Now you can see we are making a cylindrical loop of it. So we have placed the biscotti loaf on the baking sheet, and now we are going to apply egg wash on top of it. Then we will keep inside the oven at 140 degrees Celsius temperature for 20 minutes. Now we have maintain the temperature at 140 degrees Celsius and for 20 minutes, and we are going to place it inside the oven. and after 20 minutes we will remove it from the oven. So dear student, now you can see we have baked the almond biscuit for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius temperature. It has been done. Now we are removing it from the oven. You can see. And now we will cool down it for 10 minutes in cooling rack, and then we will cut it into slightly and bake again for another 20 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius. So now we are going to cut it into 1.5 inch slightly in this way. So this is the size which is required. So here we have cutted all the almond biscuitry, and now we are going to place it inside the oven for another 20 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius temperature. So this is how Italian almond biscuit is prepared. So finally we have take out it from the oven, and you can see here it is crispy Italian almond biscuit, and which we can serve during the any time with tea and coffee. So this is Italian almond biscuit. Thank you very much.